Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you the other function type on a tool, type on a path tool. Type on a path tool works in such a way it attaches your text in a certain curve or a circular pattern. Let me just grab one of the shape tools, which is the ellipse tool, and then I'm going to put that on our artboard. Just shift and drag. Shift, while pressing shift, it constrains the size of your shape. Let me just align this on my artboard. Just center on my artboard. So once you click on that center, you just go to align to artboard. So let me go to my type on the path tool. Click on that and bring your cursor on top of the circle. So again, the placeholder text, this is called the placeholder text, the lorem ipsum text, is a default setting. If you don't want to see the lorem ipsum or the placeholder text, you can disable that by going to your preference dialog box. So under Illustrator here on the left hand corner side of your window, go to preferences and go to type. And on the bottom, one of the highlighted description here is called Fill New Type Objects with Placeholder Text. You just unclick that and click OK. And once you go back again to the text, fill on the text or any of the type tool, it will just attach to your shape. The placeholder text is now disabled. In this example, let me just type Fresno City College. As you can see, it didn't fill up the entire circle simply because I have. So right now, it is not on the right position that I like it to be. The way to change the position of the text, just go to your direct selection tool here on the left hand corner. Type A on your keyboard, and this is where you control it on the bottom part here. This is the end part. Just click and drag on that handlebar on the bottom, and it will. So right now it is centered from left to right on your circular shape. There are several options for you to choose from if you want to change the orientation of your text. If you wanted to see the different options for type on the path tool, just go to your selection tool and then highlight the shape, the circular shape, and double click on the type on the toolbar. Once you have double clicked that, a dialog box will show up, and these are the different options that you can use to change the orientation of your text. The orientation right now is rainbow. You can go to skew. So right now the orientation is rainbow. Go to skew, and that's how it would look like. Be sure to click preview, and then the 3D ribbon, and this is the stair step, gravity, and then you can change the align to path center, so it goes down on the center. You can also change it to baseline. That was the original one. The ascender will be inside the circular shape. You can flip it, so instead of going on the baseline, it will be placed outside the circular shape. So this is skew. Let's experiment the different effects. Gravity, I don't like that. So after you have experimented on type on the path tool, just keep working on it until you master the different tools that you can play around with the type on path tool. Moving on, we're going to talk about text in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you.